The advent of technological era characterized by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and digital transformation is altering the dynamics of careers. The STEM fields are at the forefront of innovation. According to experts, here are the top career opportunities that students should prepare themselves for. First, definitely we are going to talk about AI and machine learning. Job roles like artificial intelligence engineer, robotics engineer, computer vision scientist, natural language processing engineer, data scientist are becoming more sought after due to developing algorithms, understanding neural networks, and working with big data. Jobs in these fields offer a compelling combination of high demand, strong salaries, and the opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Skilled professionals who can deliver these benefits are being hired by companies to optimize processes, personalize marketing, predicting customer behavior, and making data-driven decisions lead to increased revenue, reduced costs, and a competitive edge. A talent gap is driving salaries upwards for those with the right skills and experience. According to hiring agencies, graduates skilled in programming languages like Python, R, Java, data analysis, deep learning frameworks are a return on investment for companies. Then let's talk about cybersecurity. Job roles like cybersecurity analyst, cloud security architect, information security engineer, penetration tester are becoming popular due to cyber attacks that cause significant financial losses. Data is a valuable asset for businesses driving innovation and decision making. As data volumes explode, companies need experts to manage, analyze, and secure this information. This creates a lucrative market for data gurus with the skills to unlock the potential of data. Cybercriminals are constantly developing new hacking techniques requiring cybersecurity professionals to stay ahead of the curve. This necessitates continuing learning and adaptation to the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Targeted skill set like ethical hacking, network security, risk assessment, knowledge of security protocols is required to meet the demand. Next one is data science. Data science bridges the gap between raw data and real-world business decisions. They use various tools to explore and uncover hidden patterns and trends within the data, translating it into clear, actionable information for business leaders. Data-driven roles are helpful in target marketing, which reduces costs and increases revenue. Various job roles in these fields are significant in maintaining customer loyalty and competitive edge. Job roles like data analyst, business intelligence analyst, big data architect, data engineer are quite popular. Statistical analysis, data visualization, database management programming are some of the technical skill set needed for various data science roles. Developing these core skills, you will be well positioned to thrive in the exciting world of data.